Welcome to our overview video for the Accounts Receivable AR module. Most actions will be done from the Invoices and Payments window. This window opens to a list of your customers and items and action items at the top. To edit a customer record, click on the pencil icon to the left of the customer name. Edit any information needed and click Save. Click on any item in the item list to open the Edit Items window. You can uncheck the Show Items box to hide the items list from this main window. Clicking on the arrow/clock icon will open the Customer Activity window. This shows all history for the specific customer. You can customize this window by clicking on the three-dot icon in the top right for both the customers and items. There are a number of fields from the customer record and items that you can add to the main window by checking the boxes under Columns to Display. You can filter the list as well by clicking the plus sign next to Filter. Let's say you wanted a list of your customers from a specific city. You would select City from the first dropdown to indicate that you want to filter by city. You would then choose is exactly equal to as the qualifier and then type in the information you want in the third column. In this case, I'm going to type Moorhead to find all of my customers in Moorhead. If I wanted to print this list as a report, I can give it a title and click Print. I can also export the report to Excel. Notice the yellow highlight around the window. This will remain while you have a filter on. It's important to remove the filter once you have retrieved the information needed so you have your full customer list available. Click Close to exit this window or click on the three dots icon again. You can sort this window by any column you want by clicking on the column header. You will notice the arrows change to show how the list is sorted. At the top of the window, you will find your actionable items. From this window, you can add invoices and credit memos, add and edit customers, transfer transactions between customers, complete refunds, manage recurring batches, receive payments, and add and edit items. You can also add a credit memo or invoice by clicking on the Add Invoice/Credit Memo line for a specific customer. To view a record of all deposits made, click on View Deposits. Select the deposit date on the left to open the details of that deposit. To see all activity for a specific customer, click on Customer Activity. Choose your customer on the left and all of the transactions for them will populate on the right. Click on the date of the transaction to open it and see specific details. From this window, you can email, print, or delete an invoice. The AR Register is where you can see all customer transactions. The window will default to your current fiscal year. To view a different year, change the fiscal year setting in the top left. Just as the Invoices and Payments window, you can add filters, print reports, and change the columns to view by clicking on the three dots in the top right. There is a search bar that will search any columns that you have showing. You can type in a document number, an invoice number, a dollar amount, etc. to find a transaction. Click on the line item to open and view details of a specific transaction. To delete an invoice that has not yet had a payment applied, go to Customer Activity, click on the transaction to open it, and choose Delete. If a payment has been applied to the invoice and you need to delete the invoice, you would have to first void the payment. Voiding a payment is a two-step process. First, you would go to View Deposits, select the deposit on the left, and click Delete Deposit at the bottom of the window. The second step is to go to the Invoices and Payments window and choose Receive Payments. Click the trash can to the left of the undeposited payment. This will void the payment completely, and you can then edit and delete the invoice. The AR Reports window has multiple reports that can be run as PDF, HTML, or downloaded as an Excel. Thanks for watching.